Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Redesign. So let's get right into it. By the title of this video, you already know that I am doing a review and demo on the Sonia Kesh brush by its Target line. So if you want to know how it turns out, keep on watching. So for the review of this part of the video of the flat top foundation Sonia Kashuka brush that I use and love, I picked it up at Target for only $9. This is the best brush I've ever used. I used to use Wet Seal and it was like $2, $3. That brush, I don't recommend it. This brush, I totally recommend. This one is more round, so don't quote me, but for me, when I put my foundation on, I go in circles like airbrush, and it's much smoother than the Wet Seal, because the Wet Seal foundation brush is more flat and dense, and I actually tried it the other day, but I didn't video it. It made like smears on my face, and this one doesn't. I totally recommend the Sonia Kesh brush from the Target line. I would go and pick it up right now if you have a local Target. So like I said in the demo part, I use this brush for everything. I use it for my foundation. I use it for my powdered. They have different brushes like powder brushes, concealer brushes, and I do have a concealer brush, but that's another tutorial for another time. But I use this one for everything. So on to the demo part. Okay, so for the demo part of the Sonia Kesh flat top brush, this is a brand new one. As you can see, there's the label. I haven't opened this one up, but I have this one. Like I said in the review part, I'm so in love with this brush. I use it for everything. Sonia Kesh brush. They have a whole bunch of brushes, like I said in the review part. I love their line. It's by Target, and I learned this from another YouTube channel. Do you see this part right here? This little thing. You can, here, I'll come back and unscrew it and show you. So I wanted to show you guys, this comes with a number, 168. I don't know if you can see that. So if you're looking for the number, it's 168. So I cannot get the wrapper off, but this thing is supposed to open and then you bring it down like that, or you can leave this plastic thing on and just open it and start using it on your face, slide it down a little bit, and then just when you're done, just put it back on. So yeah, for this one, I can't get it off for some reason. So I'm gonna have a family member do it for me. So I am going to show you how to use it, because I got this one open. So it's pretty circled round, it's flat top, and I just put my LA foundation on it. I just squirt it like that a couple times, like that, and then I just start putting it on my face, and it's really soft. It's not stiff like some other brushes. Then I'm just gonna go like this, airbrush it in, just like that. Like I said, I love this brush. It's like my favorite brush. It's my go-to brush. Like I said, I use it for like all my makeup. I know that Saucony Cash has like powder brushes and stuff and a concealer brush, and I do have a concealer brush and I will do a tutorial on that too, but not right now. I am showing you this flat top foundation brush that I am so in love with. And it's not like the Wet n Wild brush that I used to use. That, like, the other day I used it and it was like so dense and it like made my skin blotchy. And this one by Saucony Cash, it doesn't. It like does its own thing when you put it in because it's round, you know, it's more durable, more sturdy, I would say. So I will come up to the camera and show you guys. See, like, I love this brush, and I already put my concealer on. So I will be back with the end result to show you guys. Okay, so now I'm back with the end result of the Saucony Kashuka brush. Let me find it again. Here it is. I love this brush. I would recommend it. It's only, like I said in the review or the demo, maybe both, that it is only $9 at your local Target. I would go pick it up. It's a flat top foundation brush. It goes in circles. I forgot to mention that in the last video, but I'm in love with it. I would recommend it. I use it for, like I said in the demo, I use it for everything. So, thanks for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.